let's move on. Peter had been talking about silver. Of course, the highest level about 31 years, up 20% this month alone. Beeksy's at the Chart Center taking us through the silver trade. But first, he gives a little bit of a history lesson on the metal, Professor Beeksy's.
Yeah, just a little. I don't have my glasses or my books today, but a little bit of a history lesson. And actually, by the end of this whole story, I'll tell you what to do here, as opposed to Peter, who had a nice little soliloquy there, but gave us nothing to do. So here's my history lesson. Here's the Hunt brothers. Silver today hit a new high since these guys tried to corner the silver market. Now, they tried to corner the paper market, but something's different these days. Let's go over here, and I brought along a little chart, a little pie chart. This shows how silver is used, the demand for silver. 35% industrial. You got some photography, which is declining, jewelry, silverware, coin, and then ETFs at 55%. Now, that's not that interesting. What is interesting is if you look at what the total is, it's 127%. In other words, there's 27% more demand than there is supply of silver, or a third of the silver market. That is exactly what the Hunt brothers were able to do. They bought about a third of the outstanding silver market. So if we look at our chart here, this is silver from the 1970s, this is spot silver, 1970s to present. During the 70s to the Hunt brother peak, silver went up 3,500%. If we take that same math, and saying that 30% of the silver market is a shortage, and we go from the mid-2000s to, and we say 3,500%, you get a silver price of $130. I don't know if it goes there, but I know at $30, this trade isn't over yet.
All right, Beeksy's, thanks so much for that.
My pleasure.
Good history lesson.
It's a fine, I mean, I would expect nothing less of Professor Beeksy's.
The ETFs, what you're seeing in a lot of the Asian guys, they're taking 50,000 SLBs and cashing them in for physical, and that's how people are getting the physical.
Kind of Olivia Newton-John.
Yes, exactly. I thought we were going to see Tim and
Yeah, exactly. All right, we have to take a break. More Fast Money coming up next.
I missed.